Citizen Coalition for Change CCC, led by Sengezo Tshabangu, is devolved into a mere briefcase party, failing to field candidates in both parliamentary and council by-elections. Sanapenda mashuku anobuda panguva ino kuchonekwa ZANU-PF enabler Sengezo Tshabangu ofaila kufielda ma-council candidate in Ngai Ward 16 by-election. Sanapenda mashuku achurikwa kunze kunyangwe Sengezo Tshabangu achiclaima kuti ndiye aiwa mutungamiri wemain opposition, but panguva ino kuonekwa kunzi anotadza aiwa even kuwina ma-by-elections ari kuitika panguva ino kana kutoendesa ma-candidates kuti ane contest. Ndoti subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na muna muda mjima kwa mchinzi. A political party's primary purpose is to contest elections, but it appears that this is not the agenda for Tshabangu Citizen Coalition for Change. Recently, on 13 September 2025, the party failed to field candidates in both Masvingo Urban Ward 7 and Ngai Rural District Council Ward 16 by-elections. In Ngai Rural District Council Ward 16, Tshabangu's party inability to field a candidate facilitated a ZANU-PF victory. The ZANU-PF candidate, Chavalala Sinokiswe, won with 278 votes. Independent candidate Jabulani Lofu secured a distant second with 128, while the candidate from Douglas Mozora's party, Ronald Chavalala, managed only 69 votes. Malangosi Shioma from the MRP party received a mere 10 votes. The total voter turnout was around 24.29 of the registered voters, reflecting a concerning apathy towards the electoral process. Tshabangu, who has been a prominent advocate for extending President mnangagwa's rule to 2030, a move that contradicts the Zimbabwean constitution. The constitution stipulates that the president can serve a maximum of 2 5-year terms, requiring re-election after the first term. However, ZANU-PF's push for an extension is first fierce resistance from citizens who are increasingly vocal against this agenda. Tshabangu's role has been pivotal in undermining the Citizen Coalition for Change, the party formed by President NACHAMISA in 2022. Under President CHAMISA's leadership, the CCC achieved significant victories in the 2022 by-elections and also won numerous council and parliamentary seats in the 2023 harmonized elections. However, despite President CHAMISA's victory over Mnangagwa in 2023 elections, ZANU-PF was accused of stealing the presidential vote, leading many observers to declare the election neither free nor fair. Doma shukarubuda panguva ine vana Tshabangu panguva ine vachionekwa kunzi varingori vanhu vanouya panguva ine vachingombenefita from the ruling party, but se-opposition pasina chavari kuita kuisa change munyika. Pinangomese kuchemedza mafunguro enyu kuti udii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.